Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you my current nighttime cleaning routine. Some days are easier than others, but for the most part this is usually what I get done just to maintain some order in my house and so my house doesn't look so chaotic at the end of the day. Quite honestly, by keeping up with my nighttime cleaning routine, I feel like I can sleep better, I wake up in a better mood, and I just have a more productive morning the following day. So here is my nighttime cleaning routine. I usually start my cleaning routine by lighting up some candles because I do not like our dinner smell to linger around the house before we go to bed. And my husband did make some Cuban coffee on this night, so I was wide awake and full of energy. I like to start off in the kitchen because it is the dirtiest and the messiest, and I just like to tackle the hardest thing first. So I am starting off with the kitchen, and here I'm just emptying out my husband's lunchbox, and then I'm going to go ahead and start the dishwasher. On this specific night, I did have an overload of dishes, so I will be washing some dishes by hand that did not fit into our dishwasher. After I've done the dishes, I do like to clean the appliances. Now what I meant by some days are easier than others is because sometimes I don't have to do this. It doesn't get as dirty after dinner and a quick wipe down would do. But today was a must. There was some food stuck there. And something else I like to clean is my refrigerator. That I do almost on a nightly basis just because there's so many fingerprints on there from my kids. So that is definitely a must. I'm going to leave a link to all these cleaning products down below, and most of these were mentioned in my favorite cleaning products video, so if you haven't checked that out, I will also link it below. I'm going to wipe down all of my countertops, and I'm also going to wipe down my son's high chair. This actually gets so gross every single day, so cleaning his high chair is a must. Our media console table is like a magnet for fingerprints, so this is something that I need to do daily just to keep up with it, or else like you will never see the table, it will just be full of fingerprints. Next, I like to vacuum the floors, and I'm only going to vacuum the areas that we were in that day. So for today, it was just the family room and the kitchen. Nothing else really got messy in the house. And then I'm also going to give the floors a light mop just because I do have a toddler and a 6-year-old in my house that do spill stuff constantly. So I like to end my night with clean floors. I'm going to give my sink a very light scrub. This is no deep cleaning at all. I actually have a how I deep clean my kitchen sink video, so I will also link that down below. I'm spraying this air freshener that I picked up at Target just to make everything smell so nice. And then using some Lysol disinfecting wipe, I'm going to wipe the countertops of our main bathroom, which is downstairs, and a quick wipe down of the toilet seat because this is the bathroom that we use all day. And then I end my nighttime cleaning routine by picking up the toys, and here I definitely have the kids helping me. My toddler really doesn't help much, but my 6-year-old does. She's such a great little helper. I actually have a video in the works right now, which is ways that you can get your kids to help you out around the house. It's going to be a good one, so stay tuned for that. And there you have it, guys, my nighttime cleaning routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. It might seem like a lot, but honestly, I can get this done in less than an hour. It's become such a habit of mine, and honestly, the following day is going to go so much smoother. Don't forget to give this video a like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.